Fixing Acid Reflux Naturally. In Part 1, we learned that heartburn and acid reflux often happen because there's not enough acid in the stomach. The valve between your stomach and food pipe, called the lower esophageal sphincter, needs the right amount of acid to close properly. When there's not enough acid, this valve stays open, leading to acid reflux and heartburn. Now, instead of using antacid tablets for quick relief, you can try Betaine hydrochloride capsules. These help restore your stomach acid to normal levels, which stops the reflux. Adding apple cider vinegar capsules can also help balance your stomach's acidity. By doing this, you can keep your stomach healthy and avoid serious conditions like ulcers or even cancer. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your stomach acidic, not alkaline, for better digestion and health. See you in the next video.